we dive in, I want to clear something up. There are a lot of Horizon theme variations floating around. Don't let that confuse you. Most of them are just reskins of the same base theme. Same layout, same options. So don't worry if your version looks slightly different. It all works the same way under the hood. To get things rolling, I've gone ahead and set up a Shopify store. It's got demo products loaded in, plus 2 sample collections, just so we have something to work with throughout the setup. Now, if you haven't created your store yet, no worries. There's an easy way to start. I've dropped an affiliate link in the description that gives you a 3-month free trial on Shopify. That means you've got plenty of time to explore all the features, test out different designs, and build your store without any upfront costs or pressure. Just head over to ecomsensei.com/Shopify to get started. Once you're inside your Shopify dashboard, look over to the left-hand side and click on Online Store. That'll take you straight to the Themes page. At the top, you'll see your current theme, which is probably Dawn, since that's Shopify's default. To get the Horizon theme, next to the View Your Store button, click on the button that says Import Themes. From there, select Visit Theme Store. That'll open up Shopify's full theme marketplace in a new window. In the search bar at the top, just type in Horizon and hit Enter. When you see it pop up, click on the theme to open its preview page. You can check out the features and even scroll through a live demo. When you're ready, go ahead and click the Try Theme or Add Theme button. Shopify will take care of the rest and install Horizon right into your theme library. Once it's added, head back to your theme library, find Horizon in the list, and click Customize. That's where we'll start editing your store's design and layout. This opens up the theme editor. Now, here's how the layout works. On the left-hand side, you've got all your settings and section controls. These are grouped into drop-down lists, and you can expand or collapse them to access things like headers, featured products, banners, footers, and more. Over on the right side, you'll see a live preview of your store. This is where you can visually see what the page looks like as you make edits. Every time you adjust something from the left panel, you'll see it update right away on the right.